What happens to your body if you never exercise? Let's break it down in simple terms. First, your heart. Without regular movement, your heart becomes weaker. This means it has to work harder just to pump blood, raising your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. Second, your bones and muscles. Exercise keeps them strong. If you skip it, your muscles shrink, your bones weaken, and over time, even daily tasks like climbing stairs and groceries become harder. Third, energy levels. Ironically, sitting still all day actually makes you feel more tired. Your body becomes less efficient at producing energy, leading to constant fatigue. Fourth, your brain. No exercise means reduced blood flow upstairs. This can cause poor focus, brain fog, and even increase the risk of depression and anxiety. Fifth, your metabolism. Without activity, your body burns fewer calories. That leads to weight gain, higher blood sugar, and a greater chance of developing type 2 diabetes. And finally, aging. A sedentary lifestyle accelerates aging, from stiff joints to weaker immunity, making you feel older than you actually are. The good news, even light exercise, like walking 20 minutes a day, can reverse many of these effects. You don't need a gym, just consistency. So, move a little today, because your future self will thank you. Move more.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings.